gonna be awesome! I'm gonna smash this Fidget Cube into a million little pieces! You're not gonna want to miss this video. Don't go anywhere! Hey guys, it's Fidget at Fidget Toys, and if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, then go ahead and do it right now, because it's a great way to support it. Because if you like toys, then you're like me. And if you're like me, then you love toys. And you're gonna love this video, because I've got some Fidget Cubes. Everyone likes Fidget Spinners, but there's not much inside that. But this is my question, what's inside a Fidget Cube? Well, we're about to find out, because we're going to squish it with this hammer. It looks a little too light, a little too soft right here. Well, how about this? This one really looks like it's going to crush it. At the same time, I think I can do better. I have a great idea. Let's squish it with a bowling ball! But I don't think we should do it here in our studio. I think we should do it outside in the concrete. Well, let's go and do it! Alright guys, I'm gonna drop this bowling ball right now. Bowling ball smashed that Fidget Cube like no one's business. But the bad thing was that the pieces went flying out of the camera view. So we set this white background to help it not go out of the camera view so you can see what happens when it gets crushed. Well, let's see what happens. 1, 2, 3, go! Well, it looks like this one did much better than the white one did. I think this one should have another whack. Well, if you ever do this at home, I think you should have an adult with you. And also, wear some eye gear so you don't get hurt in the eye. Well, let's get the bowling ball and squash it again. Here's the white one, or what's left of it, and then we've got the black one. The black one was pretty strong because it got 2 hits and still is kind of together, as you can see. But then, over here at the white one, it got totally obliterated. On its first hit, it exploded and fell to pieces. But this is a cube that just holds all the gizmos together. That's the only thing that's really left of it. Well, I hope you enjoyed this video and subscribe to Lucas TV Toys. Because if you like toys, then you're like me. And if you're like me, then you love toys. And I'll see you next time. Bye-bye. Hey guys, here are some of my other videos. And I know you're gonna love them. So go ahead and watch them.